How to transfer crypto from KuCoin to MEXC Global. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipen, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily transfer the crypto from KuCoin to MEXC Global. Well, first things first, you can simply open up the KuCoin app wallet and then log in here, right? Once you're logged in here, now let this load up. As you can see, once you're logged in, you should get an face like this. Now I don't have any crypto here, I just verified my account, so you can see there is deposit option there. But what you want to do is, you can, if you don't get the option as well, swipe to the right here and you can see the more option. Tap on more. Once you tap on more here, you should be able to find the option that says withdraw as well. So under assets, you can see the deposit option. Deposit means to add into your account, and to send you have to tap on withdraw. Once you tap on withdraw, now it should ask you for the verification here. Now you can see the security steps must be completed for withdrawals. I have configured my email, I have set up my trading password, so you want to set up a Google 2FA or phone number as well. So in my case, I want to be doing so here now. But once you do all this, you can simply head over to withdrawal option and it should not give you this pop-up. Then it'll give you an option to enter in the wallet address, right, like any other crypto wallet apps. Then there, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and enter in the MEXC Global wallet address that you would like to receive the crypto for. Now I'll show you how you can get that. Once you enter in, you'll be able to go ahead and send it, right, once you enter in the address. Now how you can get the address, you can simply head over to MEXC Global, and I'll just be showing you. Then you want to head over to the deposit section. So as I told you, deposit is just to receive. Then you want to select the particular coin that you would like to receive. So I'll just select BTC right here, and once you do so here, what you can do is it should give you the option to select network. You can select the network and it will give you your wallet address. Similarly on MEXC Global, it'll give you the wallet address, either the QR code and both the QR code and the address link here, like it is given here, and you can go ahead and paste it on the withdrawal section. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.